You sit frozen as a dear old relative stares at you from across the dinner table and asks,
"Why haven't you touched the rice I prepared?"
If you're one of the millions currently on a GLP-1, you're likely asking yourself, if I touch that rice, am I going to feel sluggish and uncomfortable for the rest of the day? For people on Ozempic, Mounjaro, or Wegovy, the amount of food you can comfortably eat at one sitting often drops significantly. Eating beyond that point can increase your risk of side effects like nausea, bloating, and stomach discomfort. So, the big question on everyone's mind is, can you actually eat rice while on a GLP-1? You certainly can. I've prepared a guide to navigating rice while on a GLP-1, so you can sidestep those nasty side effects and never have to turn down your aunt's cooking again. Hi, I'm Dr. Hanz. I'm dedicated to helping busy people optimize their energy, focus, and metabolic health without extreme routines. Here, I translate the science into accessible information and share actionable steps to help you reach your personal and professional goals. When juggling school drop-offs, back-to-back work meetings, or family doctor visits, finding time to cook feels impossible. For a lot of us, the rice cooker is a lifesaver. But being on medications like Ozempic and Zepbound requires a whole new layer of dietary strategy because they slow down gastric emptying. That means a rice-heavy meal may stay in your stomach longer, leaving you feeling weighed down for hours. You need a game plan. So here's your guide to navigating rice on a GLP-1. Number 1. Treat rice as a side dish. Protein should be the main event. Prioritize it. Make sure you're eating an adequate amount of high-quality protein with every meal to support your muscle mass and maintain satiety. When protein leads the plate, the rice naturally takes a backseat, helping keep your energy steady and your portions in check without feeling restricted. Number 2, keep an eye on your portions. Clinical reviews note that refined carbohydrates, like white rice, can contribute to bloating, stomach discomfort, and nausea when eaten in large amounts alongside the slowed gastric emptying caused by a GLP-1. You don't have to give up the foods you love, but moderating the amount of starch on your plate helps prevent that overstuffed, nauseous feeling. Number 3, upgrade your grains. White rice generally produces a larger blood sugar rise than higher fiber options. Your first move is stepping away from plain white rice and choosing options like nutty brown or black rice, which provide more fiber to support digestive health and help keep your blood sugar response steadier. Prefer a lighter swap? Try cauliflower fried rice. It satisfies that familiar rice craving while reducing the starch load. Check out this video to see how I like making mine. Number 4, chill your rice. Instead of eating your rice fresh from the cooker, prepare it ahead of time and refrigerate it for about 12 to 24 hours. As cooked rice cools, some of its starch changes into resistant starch. It's harder for your body to break down. That means your meal may produce a gentler rise in blood sugar while also helping feed some of the beneficial bacteria in your gut. The key is to cool your rice promptly, store it safely in the fridge, and reheat when you're ready to eat. Number 5, practice meal sequencing. It's not just what you eat, it's how you eat it. Eat your non-starchy vegetables and lean proteins before you touch the rice. Filling up on protein and fiber first helps slow the absorption of carbohydrates into your bloodstream, leading to a steadier blood sugar response. Number 6, avoid high sugar combinations. Don't pair rice with other high sugar traps in the same meal. Skip that sweet and sour chicken loaded with sugary sauce and chunks of pineapple. Keep your sides clean and opt for roasted or steamed non-starchy vegetables. Number 7, take a short walk. Especially on nights when you do enjoy a serving of white rice, go for a brisk 10 to 15 minute post-meal walk. Muscle contraction acts like a sponge for glucose, pulling it out of your bloodstream. It's an incredible, free metabolic tool. And there's another bonus: a little activity can help keep your digestive system moving along. Some people on GLP-1 medications experience constipation. A stroll after meals can help you stay regular. Managing a GLP-1 while running at full speed means leaning on simple, sustainable habits that fit seamlessly into a demanding life. If you're in your mid-30s and beyond, handling multiple responsibilities and a hectic schedule, time and focus are your true currency. For more strategies on sustaining your energy, keeping your focus razor sharp, and maintaining your metabolic health, subscribe and watch our other episodes. I'm Dr. Hanz. You don't need to isolate yourself at parties and family gatherings or cut out the foods you love. Follow science-backed strategies, eat with confidence, and keep enjoying the moments that matter. See you next time.